What's up, guys? It's Monday. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you are having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out my projects, do yourself a favor. The link is in the description. Go check them out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. All right, this is going to be quick, but I wanted to put it out here as a reminder to let you guys know, don't forget to check out the Black Friday promo deal we got going on here at Legacy Builder Program. All right, make sure you go to get on my list, right? First, get on the list. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. You're going to see a screen that looks like this. All right. Put in your email address here. You're going to receive an email in your inbox. Give it a few minutes, maybe up to 10 minutes. Check your inbox, guys. Check your junk and your spam folder. All right. It's going to say in the subject, blueprint, and then it's also going to mention Black Friday special. All right, within that email there is a link that you're going to click on that says Black Friday special, and it's going to take you to a page like this. All right, this is where you're going to get the deal, right? But you have to first purchase one of the 4 programs. Okay, one of the 4 programs, the $100, $300, $600, or $900 program. Okay, and then you're going to be able to get this as a 5th income stream. Okay, so you're going to go here, put your email in, get the special, right? Get the special, and then that allows you to add it as a 5th income stream within this program. All right, very exciting. You definitely want to go check it out. All right, and then I also have put in the description a link for the webinar that you can check out that talks about it as well. All right, this is a great time to get started, to start your online business, to enter into the e-learning industry, guys. This industry is definitely booming. We all know we're living in a digital world. Everybody's got a smartphone, a smart device, and you're able to instantly pretty much get anything with your smartphone. All right, and digital is the way to go. You don't have to worry about stocking any products. You don't have to worry about shipping anything out. As a matter of fact, this program is one of, let's see, I've got one of 3 digital programs, but my number 1, because you get actual hands-on, step-by-step training, interactive training with this program. You don't want to miss out on this promo. Right now, there's 4 programs in this program that you can purchase. All right, 100, 300, 600, and 900, right? But again, by getting in on the Black Friday special, that opens up another income stream for you. That's going to give you 5. Okay, so go check this out. Step-by-step process, automatic commissions, instant pay, peer-to-peer, member-to-member, direct sales, no middleman. You're going to be paid directly from the folks that sign up with your link, guys. All right, this is introducing Digital Growth Community, the best online business community with step-by-step process for making automatic daily pay commissions. Matter of fact, 100% profit. Did I mention that? And once this thing is set up, it does all the selling, telling, sifting, and sorting for you. So you don't have to worry about explaining this to people. This is not network marketing. It's not MLM. Because back when I came into the network marketing industry, I had to introduce whatever I was promoting to friends and family. That was the way that they had us promoted. Reaching out to your warm market, We don't have to bug friends and family. We don't even have to go on social media and try to reach out to strangers to get them to join our opportunity. Because with this, you learn how to put the information out there, right? To attract folks to your information. The system is automated. It's done for you. It's already set up. All we're doing is plugging into what's already there, right? And let it do the selling and telling for us. So we don't have to explain this to people, right? And then it even collects the payments for us and send them to us on autopilot. This program never gets sick. We don't have to worry about that. It's going to run for us 24/7. Doesn't matter what we're doing in the world. Once you set this thing up, it's on autopilot. So your job is just to get people to it, but let it do the selling and telling for you. Capture pages, autoresponder, everything is already included. You actually get a free marketing system with this. All right, so you'll have no monthly fees here. All right, so we give you the proven marketing techniques to start marketing online for free, and you earn 100% profit. And it's already been proven. I've shown you guys from day one because I've been a part of the program since it launched in March of this year. Okay, so before it even launched, I was already a part of the community. And when it launched, I was there to go ahead and get started with the program as soon as it launched on day one. And I've been promoting it since March. All right, because I know a lot of times people will ask me, well, how long you been a part of the program? Since day one, guys, March of this year. And we've shown you tons and tons and tons of people already. This has been working for. Of course, we can't guarantee you what you're going to make because we don't know your work ethics. I don't know what you're going to do with the blueprint, but it's been proven. All right. So, but you got to do some work. This is not a program where you just purchase it and fall back and just hope sales are going to fall into your lap. No, you actually have to work the blueprint, but it's laid out for you. You just have to follow it. All right. So it's no guarantee of income. You have to do the work. You got to put a little elbow grease into it. So based on your efforts is what you will get. That's point blank period, how that works. This is affiliate marketing. We're promoting other people's products. That's what we're doing, but we have the master resale rights of this program. So we get the license. Once we purchase it, we have the license to be able to resell it over and over and over. Okay, to infinity, unlimited times, because it is a training and mentoring and coaching program. All right, so go check this out. Just didn't want you to miss out on the Black Friday deal. Get in where you fit in. You can come in here, take a look at the 4 programs. You got the launch pad, it's $100 plus $29 for your website, so you look at $129. If you want the daily pay blueprint, that's $329, and you will also get the launch pad if you get the daily blueprint. Or you have the digital mastery, that's $629, and it gives you all the other 2. That's 3 programs you will own. And then of course the 4th program is the legacy builder. You're all in, you get everything for $929, and you're able to resell all these programs and earn 100% profit. Remember, you have no overhead, because you can do this business from any smart device. You just need a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so go check it out. The link is in the description to get the program, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Go ahead and check out the Black Friday special webinar. I've put it in the description as well. You'll see that link. You can check that out as well. If you have any questions after you've checked everything out, feel free to reach out to me. My information is in the description. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.